Officially, the One UI 8.5 update is here, and Samsung has just dropped an absolute bombshell. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is already deep into internal testing for this next major software version, even before the public beta has begun. That's right, weeks ahead of schedule, Samsung is quietly preparing something big behind the scenes. This secret testing confirms one thing: One UI 8.5 isn't just another incremental update. It's shaping up to be one of the most refined, visually stunning, and feature-rich upgrades Samsung has ever worked on. And the best part? It's happening faster than anyone expected. While the Fold 7 has jumped into early testing, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 hasn't joined the party yet, at least for now. But don't worry, insiders say its inclusion is just a matter of time. Samsung's development pace suggests both foldables will soon be testing the new build side by side. Now here's the exciting part. The upcoming Galaxy S26 lineup will ship with One UI 8.5 pre-installed early next year. But Samsung seems to be fast-tracking the development so aggressively that the update might arrive much earlier for existing devices. According to a reliable Czech firmware source, internal builds for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 are already live. And that simple shift from A to B means one thing: a major version jump, confirming One UI 8.5 is in full swing. However, it's important to note this isn't the public beta yet. These internal builds are private testing versions used only by Samsung engineers. The real beta phase will start once the build tag switches from B to Z, signaling the official public testing stage. Rumors suggest that this public beta could begin by late November 2025, starting with the Galaxy S25 series, Z Fold 7, and Z Flip 7 users. That timeline perfectly lines up with Samsung's recent software strategy of releasing early betas for its flagship phones. Interestingly, the Fold 7 and Flip 7 both launched earlier this year running One UI 8 based on Android 16. Originally, Samsung planned to use One UI 7.1 or 7.1.1 for those devices, but they skipped those versions entirely, a rare move hinting at something much bigger ahead. With Google pushing Android releases earlier this year, Samsung seized the opportunity and jumped straight to One UI 8. The result is faster updates, better optimization, and now a smoother path toward One UI 8.5's launch. This upcoming update isn't just about performance. Expect a major design refresh, featuring frosted glass-style panels, smooth motion effects, and 3D icons that cast natural shadows for a more realistic and premium look across the interface. Samsung is also revamping customization across the system. From new lock screen layouts to more advanced color palette controls, users will get deeper creative freedom than ever before. One UI 8.5 is designed to make every phone feel unique to its owner. AI integration is also getting smarter. Enhanced Galaxy AI tools will help with live translation, smart summaries, and contextual suggestions that make your daily phone usage more intuitive, efficient, and personal. Every visual and functional detail feels more deliberate. From smoother transitions to refined animations, Samsung's goal is to make your device feel brand new, even if it's a year or two old. The internal code hints also show that Samsung is aligning this release with its next hardware launch. This new rollout strategy might change how Samsung handles software updates altogether. For the first time, a mid-cycle version like 8.5 could get its own public beta program, giving users a taste of the update before the final release. That's a big deal. It shows that Samsung wants to involve its community more deeply in testing and improving One UI before it hits all devices. A move like this builds trust and excitement across the Galaxy lineup. So who's getting it first? The eligible devices list includes the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and possibly the S25 Edge. Samsung's foldable software experience is about to feel more futuristic than ever. This is just the beginning of what's shaping up to be a massive update cycle for Samsung. One UI 8.5 is coming fast, testing is already underway, and leaks are surfacing almost daily. Stay tuned because the next few weeks could completely redefine your Galaxy experience. If you found this update helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon because I'll be covering every new leak and detail the moment it drops.